Hi admin, welcome to Happy or Not Analytics. We're so happy your organization is using the Happy or Not solution. With this guide, we want to make sure you know exactly how to use analytics and help you achieve your customer experience goals. It's a good idea to start by learning the basics with our guide. After you finish this one, you will gradually see new ones and learn more as you explore the platform. Analytics is where you manage surveys and users, as well as find all the feedback insights that the Smiley's products collect. As an admin, you can also create and manage experience points here.
Quick View is a great place for you to get a quick overview on what's happening and how you're performing. Later, we'll go through these different widgets in more detail. There are different sections on the left side menu: Quick View, Details, Alerts and Foresights if they are a part of your subscription, Admin, and Help. At the bottom, you can access your profile settings, subscriptions, and more behind the My Profile section. You'll learn more on these as we continue with the guide.
If your role is to keep up with the data that the Smileys collect, it's good to establish how often you visit analytics, for example, once a week. We recommend you make it a habit and come back consistently in order to form a solid picture and understanding of the data. Also, the more you use analytics and make it a real part of your work tasks, the more you will get out of it. Make sure to download the Happy or Not app to your phone. You can get it from the App Store or from Google Play. Keeping up with the Smiley's data at any time and any place is super easy with the app. However, it's good to note that our training material and guide are best experienced in a browser, on a laptop or computer.
If you happen to forget your password, you can easily set a new one by clicking the Forgot Password button on the login page. Just fill out the email address that you use with analytics and you will receive an email to reset your password. Whenever you need help with analytics, you can easily search for answers through our Happy or Not knowledge bot that is located at the bottom right corner in Analytics. There, you will also find a link to our handbook, which offers a lot of tutorials and best practices. You can also access Help Center from Analytics. If you have questions related to billing, please contact our billing team at these email addresses.
Make sure to leave us feedback at the end of the training. It will help us to further develop our onboarding and training material. Thank you and have a good time learning everything about analytics.